Hi, welcome. In this video I am going to draw one of my favorite Disney character, the Mickey Mouse, using graphite pencil. It is one of those short and easy tutorial for absolute beginners. And grab your pencil and let's get started. First, draw the outline of head and body. As you can see, the head has a common circle shape and the head should be much wider than body. Let's see. Next, draw the outline of hands and legs. Huge hands are typical of Disney characters. You can see very thin legs and huge rounded feet. This is also a very recognizable mark of Disney characters. Next, I'll draw the features of Mickey Mouse. Notice that his eyes are very close together. The nose looks like an egg, and on his head there is a black edging. Mickey Mouse loves to wear socks with two white circles. And don't forget to draw the little mouse's tail. Now let's work on color.